Namaskar, welcome to PK's classes. Today we will study bulk laxatives. So laxatives, the same drug can also be called as purgative or the cathartic, and whether it is a laxative or a purgative or a cathartic, this can be used to relieve constipation. So based on their effectiveness, the cathartic is the most effective. It is followed by the purgative, it is followed by the laxative. So mild action is with laxative, moderate action is with purgative, and the highly potent action is with cathartic. So same drug can act as laxative or purgative or cathartic based on the dose. A purgative at low dose acts as a laxative, and a purgative at a high dose or large dose can act as a cathartic. So bulk laxatives can show laxative action, can also show purgative action, so they are also known as bulk purgatives. You can call them bulk laxatives or bulk purgatives. So first let us discuss about their classification. So they can be natural or semi-synthetic or synthetic. So natural bulk laxatives like agar, isabgol, which is the dried seed of Plantago ovata, then wheat bran, psyllium husk, storquelia, these are all examples of natural bulk laxatives. Semi-synthetic, the cellulose derivatives like methyl cellulose, sodium carboxymethyl cellulose, these are examples of semi-synthetic bulk laxatives. Then synthetic bulk laxatives, calcium polycarbophiles are the examples of synthetic bulk laxatives. So what we saw, these are either natural or synthetic or semi-synthetic compounds. Basically they are the polysaccharides and cellulose derivatives. So these polysaccharides and cellulose derivatives, when we administer orally, they are neither digested nor absorbed. So these are the compounds which are coming under bulk laxatives. All these compounds are neither digested nor absorbed. So when they simply remain in the GIT lumen, and in the GIT, when they come in contact with water, so the doctor advised to take sufficient water with them. So when they come in contact with water, they swell and form bulk. So they swell, so the bulk content increase. And when the bulk content in the GIT lumen increase, that initiates the peristalsis. The peristaltic reflexes are initiated for defecation, and that causes mild purgation. So the laxative action or purgative action based on that dose, and mostly they show the laxative action, so commonly they are called bulk laxatives. However, some of them can also show purgative action, so they are known as bulk laxatives or bulk purgatives. And the advantage with this group of drug is they have no systemic toxicity. So this is about the bulk laxatives. Thank you.